not evening here, but somewhere where there is people, it is evening and the sun is setting. And where there are people, there are young people. There are youth and there are grandmothers, and there are fathers and there are children. But we want to tell you a story about the youth, about the young people of the world. You have been here, maybe you are here, but that doesn't matter. Not right now. We are all human, and that is what matters. There is a place, not so much a line, but a gray area between childhood and adulthood. After you realize the world is hard and difficult and broken in many ways, but before you lose all hope, naivety, and trust in the world. This is the place that we float as youth. We are not hardened to the world, but we see the flaws. We can see them, and we also see the possibility of fixing them. We evolved as a race to allow for this, because without it, we could not move forward. Youth still have the energy, the possibility of children, and yet the ability to make a difference. The sun is set and many parts of the world sleep. The fathers and the children, the grandmothers and the youth sleep. Sleep is a necessity. Water is a necessity. We ask the question, what do youth need to thrive? We need many of the same things that everybody needs. Physical necessities, food, clean air, clean water, and shelter. Emotional necessities, a sense of belonging to a community, to love and to be loved. What about spirit? Because we need something to believe in and something to hope for. A sense of wonder and respect for the world. And above the sleeping people, the stars sit like every human that has ever had a hope, an aspiration, or a dream. They rest softly, in gentle reminder that there is still light in this world in the dark of night. They are proof to anyone who has ever been told that they are inadequate, that they can never make a difference, that happiness is less important than money. They are proof that there is greatness in this world, that potential sits inside themselves, and that the fate of their dreams rests in their hands alone. The hardest journey for an individual is finding one's true passion, their one love, and staying to this path. The road is not easy. Many things, including yourself, might try to deter you. Everything we come into contact with has an impact on us. It makes us feel, changes the way we see something, and it shapes us. For some reason in our society, the word success seems to be connected with money, and progress is only progress if there are material goods to prove it. But we are youth and we want to redefine success. We will be successful only when we can say that we truly followed our dreams. Because this is what gives our lives meaning. What we need is someone telling us that we might not find our path right away. And that is okay. That pushing yourself in the wrong direction does not make it right. The time spent figuring it out is not time wasted. That it is never too late to start doing what you believe in. We need your guidance and your wisdom, but not your ideas because we have our own. We need you to teach us how to help ourselves, to show us how to respect each other, respect our community, and respect our home. We don't want you to tell us, we want you to show us. And please don't think that we cannot show you something too. You have the wisdom of your years, but we have a capacity to see things in a different way. So let us show you. We need structure. But if you constrict us too much, we cannot grow. Like trees that are constricted by obstacles, we will go around, distorting our branches in order to reach for light. And somewhere, the world is dark, and thin strands of morning light are climbing. Up over the horizon and into the land, and the people of the world are waking up.